Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about why we use Asana to make sure that your project launches on time and on budget. Asana is an online project management tool that helps us make sure that everything runs smoothly from start to finish. Asana allows us to create and assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress so that we can make sure that everything is on track and all team members are working efficiently. This helps us stay organized and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. In addition to project management, Asana also allows us to communicate and collaborate with our team members. This keeps everyone on the same page and lets us quickly address any issues that come up during development. Asana also allows us to add comments, attach files, and create custom templates so that we can make sure our customers have a consistent experience and our team members have access to all of the files and information they need to move projects forward effectively. At the core of all this, we believe that using the best tools is key to delivering the best results for our clients. If you're looking to scale online and even improve your own efficiencies, we'd love the chance to chat with you and learn more about your goals. Book a free strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forwards with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.